Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will delve into Nvidia and provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We want to ensure you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Nvidia as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.20. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 15 days since we recommended buying Nvidia, the stock has surpassed our expectations with a gain of 11.98%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.8% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would indicate a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $504.25, it would provide a strong buy signal and suggest a potential shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 1.05% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -16.03% to 4.60%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 237.23% change over the next year, with a potential return between 199.04% and 271.93%. This implies a price range of $1,456.79 to $1,811.90 after 1 year. Our latest update on Nvidia reveals a significant development. Nvidia stock experiences a decline of 2.46% on Wednesday. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, the stock price of Nvidia dropped by 2.46%, falling from $499.44 to $487.16. Throughout the trading day, the stock witnessed a fluctuation of 5.38%, reaching a low of $477.63 and a high of $503.35. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 4.6% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 43 million on the last day, the prices were on the decline. This might be an early warning sign, implying a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, around 89 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $43.55 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price was $505.48, while the lowest was $138.84. Presently, the stock price is 3.62% lower, equivalent to $18.32, than the 52-week high of $505.48, which also marks the all-time high for Nvidia stock. Analyst Ratings. Let's take a look at the latest updates. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital also gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo reported on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, that they gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. KeyBank, also on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. The day before, on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. In terms of the PE ratio and price to book, it receives a strong buy rating as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the signals for Nvidia stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Nvidia, while the long-term average suggests a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, it indicates a general buy signal for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $494.84. On the other hand, if the stock declines, it could find support from the long-term average at approximately $453.44. A break above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, whereas a break below the long-term average would suggest a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a minus 3.36% decline so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign requiring closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 13 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $471.63. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered high risk due to its significant volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $25.72, which accounts for 5.38% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.94%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a valuable measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Nvidia has an extremely high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's important to note that it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 21, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, we can look at the first resistance level at $487.84. If you're not already invested, it may be wise to wait for the stock to break this level before entering a position. For those who already own Nvidia shares, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, the first support level for Nvidia is at $471.63. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. The average rating for Nvidia from multiple analysts is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Drell Persis sold 2,300 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 7,951 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 3,068 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Puri Ajay K. sold 8,458 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Crest Colette sold 8,919 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -18.472. In total, insiders have purchased 421,264 shares and sold 627,435 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $469.09, which represents a decrease of 3.71%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn poses a higher level of risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While Nvidia holds several positive signals, we don't consider it to be a strong buy candidate at the moment. It would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price of Nvidia is undervalued. For trading on Friday, November 24th, we anticipate that Nvidia will open up at $489.38, showing an increase of $2.22. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.